Hi, I'm Anna with Luxury Bath, and I'm going to walk you through this sleek, luxurious bathroom behind me. One of the first things you notice about the wet area behind me is the all matte black features in here, which just pop beautifully against the San Michele Travertine walls. They have the laser etched Milano 6x24 vertical block in them. What's really nice about the laser etched wall is you don't have to worry about cleaning and scrubbing grout, but you still have that beautiful, luxurious design throughout the wet space. And what's really nice is this bench seating. It can hold over 2,000 pounds and it continues the color, just keeping that same aesthetic throughout. The bench doesn't necessarily need to be for anyone who has accessibility issues, but sometimes you just want to sit down and just relax in the shower and create that spa-like experience. What's also very nice is that it has a little inlet in the corner here so that if it's wet, it drains out and you don't have to worry about water sitting and becoming stagnant. In each corner, we do have the acrylic wall shell that continues the color of the wall, which can hold all your shampoo bottles, and you can of course add more or less depending on how many you think you need. Coming this way, we see the beautiful Delta rain shower, and then of course you have the handheld wand. What's really nice about this is that you can have the luxurious rain experience of just like the beautiful rain shower, or if you need more pinpointed clean, you have the handheld wand. So it just gives you those two different options. And as we all know, options are great to have. One of my favorite features is the footrest. It's one of those things you don't necessarily think of, but it's just such a convenience because if you shave your legs or anything, you can just easily rest your foot. You don't have to worry about trying to prop it up anywhere. You have a spot and it has that strong grip, so you're not going to slip and you're not going to hurt yourself. And two very important features that we maybe don't think about often in our shower are the grab bars. In this shower, you have two, and this is nice for just when you're getting in and out of the shower. You don't have to worry about safety in your own shower. And of course, we'll end with the shower doors. This is the Denali barn style doors. On the inside, you have the knobs for easy open and close. And then on the outside, you have the towel bar. As you come out of the wet space, you can continue that matte black finish throughout your bathroom, which just gives it a cohesive, luxurious feel throughout. This will be a bathroom that you want to be in, and it just makes you feel good. Thank you for watching this bathroom walkthrough. Would you have this design in your home?